Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Anyways, my apologies for a slight delay for this week's video. It has been a hectic week of planning and video calls, but for what, I will let you guys know when the time comes. Anyways, if you guys have followed me closely and remembered that previously I made a video on the delivery bag rack. Now, if you guys missed that video, I will provide the link somewhere up here. Alright, after that video, I did a little bit of shopping with the intention to actually mod my bike to make it roadworthy. So for today's video, I will be doing just a simple video of an assembly and installation of the delivery bag itself. For those of you guys who are new and intend to join delivery companies, especially food delivery companies, you guys would want to know that you guys need to put cash up front before you start earning your buck. Now that even I can't do anything, right? But as usual, there's always workarounds. You might want to sell off your gears after you make payment, you get started. You get what I mean? But for this video itself is more to those who are looking for replacement. That means the gears that you get from the delivery company has worn off, right? And for you to get a replacement is like very, very, very far away. So you might want to get a replacement bag which can be delivered to you right at your doorstep. So let's get started. Okay guys, as you can see, my head is partially chopped off, right? It is because this bag is quite massive, so I need to downgrade a bit to sitting down on the floor, and also because that is the only space that I have for now. Anyways, for your guys info, this is a 62-liter delivery bag. Alright, I'm a fan of massive stuff and I want to make it easy for myself if in case a big order comes in. I will seldom push away orders unless the order pickup location is very far away. So okay guys, this bag is fresh out of the poly mailer. I just got it a couple of days back. Alright, I just kept it inside the poly mailer until I wanted to make the video, which is today. Alright, so what we are going to do now, as per normal, we will do it stage by stage so that you guys won't get confused. And let's not waste time. Okay guys, to start with, okay, let me get a bit lower so that you can see my face. Okay guys, to start with, we are going to put together the skeleton of the bag itself. Now, this can be an overload for some of you, right? That's why I am doing this assembly stage by stage. Now we have the long piece, right? There's 4 of them. Followed by a lot of the short pieces. Then of course we got the angle joints to join them together. Now there are many ways to put this thing together, but one thing I need to get things straight with you guys is this joint here, right? No matter how you turn it, it is still at right angle. So do take note about this. Right, now I'm going to start with the long piece first because it's lesser and it's easier for you guys to actually visualize how the skeleton is going to look like, right? So here's the first piece. All right, like I mentioned, make it a 90 degrees. Right, one joint in, 90 degrees, another joint in. Right, this is one side setup. Do the same for the rest. 2 side setup. Alright, we'll take the third piece. Put in the joints, 90 degrees. 3 side setup. And the last piece of the long plastic, 90 degrees. Put it in. So this is the 4 piece. But there's no thunder and lightning. Okay. Anyways, never mind. Now we have all the 4 pieces together. Now then we begin assembling the short pieces. Right? So now it's 90 degrees. We take the short piece, form it up. Put it together. Now I'm trying to balance this. Okay. Okay. Now this is in. Take another 2 pieces. Join to the front. Make sure you put in really deep. The next one. Push it in. Now by this time you can actually put on a flat ground. So take the next long piece, 90 degrees again. Put it in. Same goes to the other side. Push it deep. Another long piece. Now, to let you guys see, the skeleton is slowly forming up. Okay, I have an assistant here. 2 assistants here. Anyways, so put it in. Push it deep. So now you have one side of the frame done. So we are going to take another 2 of the short pieces. Put it to the front. Make sure you put it in deep and secure. The other one here. Then the final long piece on top. Push it in. And the final 2 short pieces here. Now you have to push both joints of them together. Now I'm going to turn it around so that you guys can see. Empty space. The last piece. And you are done with the framework. So next is to put the frame itself into the bag. Okay guys, when I was emptying the bag itself from the packaging, alright, I came to realize that they provided hooks to put in the bag or to put together onto the skeleton itself. Now this is only temporary because these hooks are not actually safe to use. Reason behind is because when you hook the food or the drink in your bag, there's nothing to secure, all right, unless you tie the food to the hook. All right, now for this video, this is only temporary. All right, I have ordered some other hooks to replace this, but for this video, I'm going to use this as an example since it was provided in the package itself. So to put in the hooks is very simple, right? You just need to pick any one of the long ends, all right, put the hooks in. When you put the skeleton into the bag, make sure that you know where the hook is, all right? The hook should be at the back of the bag. I show you what I mean. Now I'm going to bring this skeleton down and bring the bag up. Okay guys, what we have here is the bag, all right? This is the cover itself. As you can see, there's two flaps here. All right, that's the only part of the bag which has flaps. All right, as we lift up, this is the back portion of the bag. This is where, inside the bag, this is where your hooks are going to rest on. All right, let me turn this in front so that you can see the front portion. All right, this is the front portion. You can put advertisement here. But now I'm not selling the bag, but I'm going to share with you. All right, and this is the inside. Now, what we're going to do now is actually to put the base of the bag itself. All right, this will help to flatten the bottom so that we can put the frame inside nicely. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, this is the back. Right, this is where the hooks are going to be. So I'm going to stand this back up, spread the base, and put this thing inside first. Okay guys, as you can see right now, the bag is more or less rectangular in shape, right? Just nice for us to put the frame in. So just to show you guys, this here is the rings, okay, and this is the back portion. This is the back portion of the bag. So we're gonna put the frame in. So right now we are going to slowly push the skeleton in. Now there are straps available to secure the skeleton inside, right? So we need to bring the strap out first and go around the skeleton and velcro up. All four sides will have the strap. So we're going to do that. Make sure you secure it nicely. It's a velcro strap. This is so that the bag is taut. Now everything is in. It's done. Now the bag comes with a partition as well, but I don't usually use the partition. Right, I usually use either my raincoat or whatsoever inside to actually hold or to put the food in one corner so that it won't move all over the place. Right, this is up to individual, alright, whether you want to use the partition or not. Alright, but for my case, I don't actually use that. Alright, Now for the installation of the bag itself to the delivery bag rack that I've installed previously, right, we are going to make use of the straps provided here. Right, the two corners will have straps. On this side there is straps as well. Alright, so now we are going to go over to my e-bike and secure this delivery bag onto the e-bike itself. Now let's go. Okay guys, right now we are at my e-bike. Right, this is the rack that we installed previously. Okay, and this is the bag that we have just set up. Now this bag, like I've shown you just now, has two buckles. Alright, we're going to use these two buckles. Same goes on the other side as well. We're going to use these two buckles to actually secure to the rack. Now make sure that when you want to secure the straps, okay, make sure that you run the strap itself from inside to out, and then you buckle back up. Okay, I'll show you again. Make sure that you run the buckle inside the frame of the rack, then you buckle up outside. Okay, then after that you tighten it up. Okay, once you tighten this side, you go on the other side to do the same thing. Now if you find that the buckles are insufficient to secure your bag, right, you can choose to actually use a bungee cord which is about 1.5 meters in length. Hook it here, go underneath the rack itself, and hook on the other side ring. That should make it more secure. Right, other than that, you can also use the straps here to hook the bungee cord as well, so you have double secure. Right, so that's it. We've installed my new delivery bag. Yay. Okay guys, so there you have it. We have just assembled and installed my new delivery bag onto the delivery rack that we have installed last week. Now this is part of my mini project to make my e-bike more roadworthy. Now as soon as the rest of the parts arrive, I am going to create the videos, then I'm going to post it out on my channel. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be informed of the latest videos, and of course, do me a favor and like my videos, can? Right? Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, ride safe. Bye-bye.